Hello everyone. So today I'm going to do some SQL inner join. So yeah, the first step we need to do is select the column name on this table and this table. First, I want to initialization this table to C and this table to X. So I'm going to type c dot skid cure c dot skid cure, and then I need code gender, so I type c dot code gender. After that, the previous I want to get the skidqren from the AGI previous table, so I type x dot skidqr. After that, I also need the count of children from C from this table. So I need this 4 column. After that, from fix dot hgi dot application hgi underscore application as C. So this is the schema name, and then this is table name, and then this is initialization as C. So this is from HGI application table, and then this and this column from HGI application table. So after that, I need to inner join from fix schema dot HGI previous as X. So I want to import this column from this table. After inner join, now we need to create some conditional on where I want to get this column skidqren equals to skidqren. So I need to type c dot skidqren equals to x skidqren. Now let's run this code. So yeah, we got this. After that, if you want to do some left join, that means you will get all of the data from HGI application table. So we just change this inner join to left join, and then run this code. So yeah, all of these data are fetched from the HGI application, and some of the missing data are from HGI previous table. So yeah, the null column on this table are actually the HGI previous column that they don't have in HGI application table. if I change this left join to right join, so I can get all of the data from the HCI previews, and some data are missing from the HCI application. So let's run this code. Yeah, then all of these null data are actually from the HCI application table. So yeah, let's create some conditional part. So I want to count the name contract status. Okay, then and then x dot name contract status, and then count x dot name contract status as total status. Right, so I need to remove this from inner join on, and then after creating the count function, I need to create the group by function. Group by x name contract status, and then order by total per status. So yeah, I'm grouping by the category of name contract status from here. So I'm gonna count the total amount of approved, and then Y and cancel, reviews, and other type. So let's run this code. So yeah, oops, I forgot to test content, so I can show which is the largest data. So yeah, this is the result. The most name contract status value is approved, and then the lowest is n. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.